Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Roblox on your PC or laptop. I'll be walking you through two simple methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's jump right into it. The first method is using an internet browser. Open any web browser on your computer, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the search bar, type Roblox download and press enter. From the search results, click on the official website that says Download Roblox. Once the page opens, click on Download Windows app. After the download starts, go to your Downloads folder from the top right corner of your browser and open the Roblox Player installer. The installer will run automatically, and you just need to wait a few moments while Roblox installs on your computer. Once the installation is finished, Roblox will be ready to use. If you're using a Windows computer, there's also a second easy method using the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. Inside the store, click on the search bar at the top and type Roblox. From the results, select Roblox, which should appear as the first option, and then click on the Get button to download and install it. If Roblox is already installed on your system, you'll see an option to open it instead. And that's it. That's how you can download Roblox on a PC or laptop using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.